And tell me again, personally, because there are 2 times where you mentioned to me, Wilanga to my good. Are you a short-tempered person?
Yeah, I'm not patience.
Yeah.
If into ye bat, kay bat, and in Almandano, kay bat, get way tall, kanka. Yeah, so because the parity, if you like, negisi patient, if I was patient, Ninka, get a season you, and a bank is take up pele. Then Nika, the bank up could lisa, could the first team. So Nikin could make Kukana no, gas from the top, Kieko the tire, just like that. Until so Niki see patient enough for Nik battery team high fast, Yanka Kai, the profile like a sharp. Mama go to team fast. So personally, Kimoto impatient that one. Yeah, and to say the way Nagi Batlan, had I get real.
And it's important that, but they need to understand your personality first, because before you're a player, you're a human being.
Yeah.
So they need to understand what personally you're impatient, and they need to find a way to work with your impatience. And you need to understand what football has got its dynamics. Before you get into the 4 lines, there are a lot of things that happens outside that you need to find a way to adjust. Because I still feel we haven't seen much of you. We haven't. We know you're a star. We know you're a good player. But the only time we saw you is either go the youth team, just squad, or go MDC, or those who are like Shebile and whatnot. And I really, really want to see more of you. And you need to go back to the game. But I'm glad that you still have an active contract, the Baroque. So now let's get to the issue here, retirement. Where does it come from? Who said this and all that?